it's Miss Justine here to show you how to do this week's craft, the sandy crab. In your kit, you're gonna find 4 small red circles, 1 large red circle, 1 container of orange sand, 1 half sheet of paper, and 2 googly eyes. You'll also find our calendar for all of our programs that are coming up, so take a look and hopefully we'll see you at a program soon. You're gonna also need some glue. I have a glue stick, but white glue works as well, and a marker. I picked a black marker, but I guess you could use any color. And so once you have those, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is take our glue and take our half sheet and cover the bottom of the half sheet with glue so that we can cover it in sand. So here's what that's gonna look like. So I just put glue on my sheet, and now I'm gonna sprinkle some sand right on top. And this part can be a little messy, so make sure you clean up after you're done. Okay, so I've got my sand. I'm gonna put some of the leftover back into the container to use later for a different project. Okay, so I've got my sand on my paper, and now I'm going to take all my circles, all my red circles, the large one and the small ones, and fold them all in half. So with the big one, I take it, fold it in half like this, so it looks like a semicircle, okay? Do the same thing for all our little ones. And we will glue the big folded circle to the bottom of the purple half sheet. So we want it to be facing down like this, and we're gonna glue it onto our sheet so that it kind of is on top of the sand, right? Because crabs like to stand on the sand. Okay, so I'm gonna put some glue all over the back of my large red circle and stick it on like this. Okay, so next we're going to make the claws. We're going to take 2 at a time of the small folded circles and glue them above the large one in a V shape, so kind of like this. So we're going to take 1 and 2, put some glue on it, and glue it on. So let's see what that's going to look like. Okay, so here's our first claw. Now we'll do our second. Same way, we'll put some glue on one side of the circle and put it above the big circle on the paper in a V shape with its partner. Okay. So now if we look, we've got our crab's body and claws, and he's sitting on the sand, but he doesn't have any legs. So we're gonna draw a set of legs with our black marker. Crabs, I believe, have 6 legs plus their claws. So we're gonna do 6 legs and 2 claws. It might be a little tricky with the sand, but I think you can do it. Okay, so now we've added his legs, my crab looks like this, and we're going to draw a line from each of the claws to the body, because right now his claws are just out in space, and we want them to be part of his body. Okay, So, again, our crab looks like this. Now he has 6 legs and 2 claws. What else is he missing? That's right, his eyes. Our crab can't see. All right, so you're gonna take the last part of the kit, the 2 googly eyes, and find a nice spot where you want them to go. Put some glue on the back of them and stick them onto the paper. So I put mine here, but uh-oh, they're not connected. I've got to take my black marker and connect the eyes to the crab's body. There we go. So now when you look at it all together, we have our finished sandy crab. All right, we look forward to seeing your masterpiece if you send it to us via email to kids@uplnj.org. You can have your artwork featured on our art gallery. Our art gallery is online at uplnj.org/kids. And we look forward to seeing you in the library soon. Have a good one. Bye.